Oga soni me menari ya gatota. Iwolo we suvu we. Espe oje. Information wa gwalo ne den ya gbisi na mami. Be na gboye view bogwa o arewe na. O ma onu eko nudio.
Nobody if you bogwa or the talk when self-love talk. Benin women know say self-love no lie. Benin women know say self-love no lie. Go agwalo toy. Wait till you want for toy. Anything when you see for self-love, if they see final for inside you, if it's still day. Wait till you want to love first love, I be self-love. If they see reach where you day, it's still day. If you know work be or you will come laughing. You know if you laughing at them. They normal J school.
He beard kure. Then ya wa jeni. How we beard de regalo. Ah, zero ni mejeno no we beard o we bed no o girlfriend de we ba. No do agigo ajo do kure o we zu ani ha. Then meje ki de sena.
Yeah, lie, you lie. They're not the lie, you lie. Ogo what why they not to lawa. You do the talk lie. Which a man like 30 years old guy, which man 40 years old man when he don't make money, when he make it they use until they build out. Hey, no good man. Hey, age like 25 years, all those small children where they enter Europe. Hey, zigo dina when they did. Those men when they fuck you, say, where? Person when see you for granted, person say you old where? Say you old where? I don't want to talk the person. If I talk the person, you know the person where.
We better prefer the way you dey gift me.
See old woman when they say a boyfriend. Now man you supposed to get man. You supposed to get manual. You're not supposed to get boyfriend. A day. Now why the you know the message for send for your Benin men. Tell your Benin men say make they not they call una women ashawo again. If you reach the talk now. Not be only una women be single mother. Then they see the single mother for the whole world. Even Oyibo, even the country one are they so single mother Oyibo the day. Why it can't be say una just dey TikTok una just the reason take the disgrace una self. Where if you do Enuwa Luna Emma Ayamio one foe that they use until they see person finish. The way where your Benin men they insult una women. Now so other tribe men they insult their women. Eh? Now so that they insult. They down. Egbe kind. Always go where winner. You know, so if you don't get work, now you they come crazy for social media. Where winner? Winner phone there. I go away. Go and look for another one.
Then me yek no masena or mani me wakina. E guy ne what you did or what am come with wake up diva.
Shut up. Clear your mouth. Hey guy way. Clear your mouth. Now Oyibo you supposed to deal with now. Oyibo. Because they carry you go everywhere. Oyibo, when we watch now, I was saying vacancy will carry you go hotel now go relax for them. Where you buwa? Eh? Where you buwa? If I come out sometimes, and they see some women when they deal with Oyibo. You know, say if you deal with Oyibo, if they go out, you'll see some black women when they deal with Oyibo. Now you need black no mother Benin men you frustrate you gog. Eh?
I come if you wait babe go see what I buy for you. Oh gbe give me where bewo.
You not see your pikin Mama Susie. Mama Susie suffer carry Oyibo. He dey with Oyibo for house. We mage bo we suppose we ya mu gwali area eboni area everyone people when all those old winch iriya waje no say that they see women they were born to destroy men. Now this year boy be so now he make sure say he can't still use her hand to destroy her son. The time when his son, well, may your soul rest in perfect peace, oh, the time when what they carry his son come abroad, they can't use until they fuck small children. You can't use until they fuck his son age mate. Once the pikin enter inside house finish, you don't finish. This small room of a boy is a kidnapper room. That room, they use until they kidnap small children prick. They use until they, you know how many, you tell the guy, the person when he say, oh, well, oh no, who that woman, I say, he said that woman, I said, now small boys, not that woman, they friend. You know, they use like they see small boys. Eh? Why you decide, say, you want to destroy people, children? Now you make your children know better. Or she me about better. The person say, he say, no, they use like they see small boys, so. Say, no, they use like they see small boys. All right, look, that is small boys. So, even small boys says, no, they don't. Each small boys that they run for now. When you can say what voin Brescia. Each small boys that they run for them. The day when I will reach Brescia, you go see me. My boyfriend did Brescia. The day when I will reach Brescia, you go see me. I will call you and say, Mama, yeah, boy, I dare you. Come fight me. If they come, carry gun, come. May you see her. He quickly will have your way. He get one Benin guy. Or where that woman, when they do live video, say, no, man, now. He said, he go come live video. He say, go come, they pretend. He said, now, small. I say, brother, where you now? Oh, we be a car. Or where that house, na so be a car. Where, na so boys, they rent. Oh, we, na so boys. If we rent wa no ye boy, you can never see get rent house for there. Now so boy. Even he said that the room they vacant. They say now so the room they quit the vacant. If the room vacant, they will not say if they find a room, if the phone number there Africa shop. For this age of this woman, you still get if phone number still there Africa shop. Phone number still there. So they self now as the find combo, you go come the friend them. Oh now what in me whoa and they see women like this. The small pikin when they that area, they go fuck all the old small pikin finish. I hate that thing. I hate advanced women when they force small children. How can a 50 years old woman, you got a friend 30 years boy, you got a friend 27 years boy. I don't know how not they do more. That they say he do video they talk say say he not marry me with another. They say now say God forbid. Me with you not be this. Who tell you say I not get husband? For your mind, they tell you say I not get husband. I get to Oyibo, go find Oyibo. Me bo dog wa ne bo. God forbid. May God not let me be like you. I want to be like you. I not born throw away them put for Nigeria. Can't enter abroad, can't they force small children. No. God forbid. I enter Europe, I do what my mate still do. Now they say message for me that day. They say, you be here for Isha, you be here for Benin, and why you not they go? It concern you. It concern you. For how many years you not feel be her? You do as I will finish for Europe. You go Nigeria, go to do as I will for beer parlor. You don't even know say you old. You know they use mirror look yourself. We okpeda gele wo kpe me wahi. Eki me wa mudiami edede na. Without no na oye gbe kin dede. E khodan. Oya like dede. If you see some 60 years old women, that you say that the 60 years old women, I will say this woman area no worry this woman. If you look this woman, you don't even know whether it is 60 years old. You not go know. Na khodan. E khodan no guye boyi. E tosi. E sisi. O ene sisi. Wa wo fio gboria. Pa o gboria fio uta. E no go sisi o egwe. All the Benin man when you don't friend now is when you enter Europe. Which one you don't marry? You know day. But self-love when you dey talk to now, self-love marry Benin man. He born for Benin man. Your mate that time when be say all of them born before. They don't born. Do girls man he marry, the husband has no work, he come out. They remarry again. You no feel remarry. Why you no feel remarry again? As you fuck prick rich, as you fuck small children rich. Okona uhe no ge okona ogi sakan. Iya wo ogi sakan. Ave e kokobirike yawe se ni geya ya wa do. You no say ni ga full pressure wewe. Ave se ni geya ya wa we. They say the evening go see come and you see go they do igbiagia. Ah! This woman just useless. So for how many years when they do ashawo, she no fit make her. Now the worst part of it, she no fit carry her pikin come abroad. She go they talk. Okay, atane. You know they share safe.
Nya uga migo bet social media ugegeri eri ogwani ya bugwa ngwa kia stage kwa bielene we bugwa ri ogwa ngwa boda fo wa ya nwina gberu wa dogwa ni mo umiowe
What's up with my dad?
umiowe
We want that
wa
or
kwa udu amiene ha bebe social media uga go
Avasa no one magbe. Your mate carry children enter abroad. Your mate build house for Nigeria. Your mate still buy house for abroad. Which one you pay for? It's like for the 3 things when I count now, you fail. You don't think I 4 things. You don't remarry again, you fail. You don't think I picky come abroad, DJ boy, you fail. You see, you don't feel build house for Nigeria. Now you say you build house for Nigeria. You are a failure. You don't feel buy house for Europe as you say you they work. That one of number 4 failure. Who are failing? We here 4 failure. You might think more like we bona fail. You F for there. You know remarry again. You F for there. You know feel build house for Nigeria. You F for there. You know feel still buy house for Euro. You F for there. Then when there. Eki bieka. I don't see I always see another bieka again when they want come fuck you. May they carry this thing up here. Ni a so pia ni you uhe. Ni a swag noto. Uhe no uhe yai. Uhe susu. Nu ya deceive bieka. Uhe ni gban. They may want me or okay shan hoe. Ika mu pia won. So piawa ne dini ku vala. Etin already akweku will can be pressure. If you anywhere when they'll say you get one oduma. Or a low or 12 yo 12 no you kwaku cannot run no 12. Where are for? If they can't do something for church now, they invite person. If boys come to church, your boy must carry. You will say you they look for one room. Just come pressure. Come just they stay pressure. Pressure good way. You will call Lord the compression. Lord they enter that small room when it do a shower for how many years. Who hate the day? Who hate who hate the day? Every.
upawe kati cha ah okbiani hiya isha okbiani no wa mu gbedu wa ohiya wa hu wa bo gba kun e ogwe gima wa laja me yan na ni ami na donate go wa maybe o me wa kan aji go because
see this one work by not doing self-love you want here. Now me I told us I don't feel marry Benin man. Met marry Benin man unless say maybe I feel see the one when busy or we come cause say so we raw come or massive boy sen. If you see Benin man when come, you know reach 20. Benin people will say oh we do man come senya. Before you say ukbenoge ante prororo ukbenoge self-love ate prororo ukbe dog na who dey with Benin man when ukbenoge can see so error ukbemo see so Benin man you know 5 even talk self only leg when we are so where Benin man don't react put if you belong here Benin man don't react put bo if bird fly past now they go say agiari. If na ordinary mosquito, a mosquito na ju were ya. Emi ye oya ya moazin. Life olaji anye. Who go stay with Benin man when you no go get talk for mouth? Eh? That person, you no go fit stay with Benin man. If that woman for the name, you know whether na your husband or was pass. Ah, we know na. We know you people. May I leave am? Make I go make coffee. I want chop bread and coffee. I dey hungry.
We man, ima so no respect we na yama mi na jigo. Yama mi no keke na jigo. Where we bo we dori akati la jani me do donate go we me a.
Well, but this I say Facebook, you dey beg money. Self-love now come say you need money for your fast. It no ask you get money when you want to give self-love. When that ready self-love, upesio. When ready self-love. Ni self-love go ready account if you we ninya eke no so no ho na that wo pilia. As self-love say no na come to for me. This woman it test is catapult for inside belly. It test I don't even they come for inside mouth. Where the thing I when me can na rigo ne to where na where one you not get the day when you the day when you come this Facebook come take money make I not swear for you because you don't feel condemn no need when I want to swear for you they no boto oh wait they na way you san bien na bien obie san na kon we nyama da kon o wa we bieka o we ban yen bowa when Benin women when I call you the Satan they don't build 3 hours for Benin so don't build 2 or I said don't carry keki or your aru keki go be like maduma or more we or move you keki or baby weke eki agbado only whatever only obia yewe si na kiye kedo mude o yewe si no gbagbe mu ye kedo me pora for everywhere a whole European woman see as your pikin beef for inside market oh and my boss say we on question abi gbore ocean nonsensical buhaha now so this woman that time you go check on me you want to check on me you want check on lovely this is how I pour the way when you take pour nonsense.
Benene ni pataki e we kan jigo ni jawu ni mahia kan abege be petu ge na we o mana mi jigo na me ri ogi me ladia e ri ladia
that time say me I not dey go party you never see me for party so if I can't reach party I'll come on camera if I go anywhere when I go on camera I know they on camera if I dey with my people I go cheat for there. I go chill. If you don't see me now, say I don't see come on for Facebook, you don't see me. I go chill. If I reach my friend's house, I put camera for my friend's house. You will know say they follow responsible people. They waka. You will know say na tafia. Now they do for social media. He want to say me I know they go party. Now say when we ye party say we mamu okba no mu we yo wa. When no na wa je party say ijakra. Ija crave no ye party say okona from here to ito one Hollandis a Bini woman yedo your mate will not come the same time we are like each Bini woman your bobajo they cooking say na rapper na Hollandis and not that time and all of us they run the package together that time Hollandis okona na si say na cry de jus akra ohona e dede umi e dede no gi bini e dede ora yakra even bini e dede when de Nigeria ne Holland sin ayake we worki ohona wa dede gian wa de na hie kwa o he yokwa babi o here o fie abi kekiri ogbe make ayoge nya oh yeah odi when agbanoge. You open your mouth, however insult you can't insult me. Oh yeah, okay when agbanoge where useless woman no dey here kwa no bell Nu gwa. Useless woman. See that your wickedness. We always saw a biena. Why na ore a bere mi wo modare no gun gbele. So me ki gbogule so gu ki gbo mi ele nobody know. Brother, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Your mama is a useless mother. I know insult you. You can't come out. You can't insult me. Now that insult, and you go they collect her, and I'm also they insult you, useless woman. I know insult this woman. Oh, I know insult her. I just tell her say, Mama, yeah, boy, the way when you take off for this matter between Maggie with Monica, not be so. As a mature woman, you're supposed to settle them. This woman come. All I wear now, you see that Aisha brother when you keep chop. Now he head night they worry you. So two we can say woo. Two we can say woo. Ware bede. Uga biye buga neyegbe. Una round noa, una tie ball. Mem, I know insult you. As I do that video, reach. Me mamwe bogbe. Ije boy. Where they go to the Lydia, now Lydia that they call you, waiting they call you. Me mamwe bogbe Lydia erari you where to where. I want start to they insult you now. I want start to they insult you. Lydia tell where no de vanoa, no de gogwa, they useless witch. I know it's all this woman. Instead of to come say, lovely, see, waiting now the way when I get since rich, now so I take talk rich, oh, now so I take talk rich. That is what you're supposed to do. You can't swear, you can't swear for your picking. I be your picking when they swear for me. Useless woman. I be your picking, no desire, no weabo, no weana. Other boy, when I be baby, who fear be kaki yo be. Now, may I show how you go day for your life. Since you know fit to see. Now where daje, now where that cherry bed, now doare gbem fioloto. Now so sickness go take. You say as you tell la dance so. It your sickness. Whether hello now so your sickness. Now do ki de bear. Because I know it's what you can't insult me. Now do ki de bear. Sickness go hold you now like this go be for bed. You know, see picking when go bring water come for you. That your mama answer me, useless woman. I know insult this woman. Just go, you can't just insult me. Me when you get children, I'm a mother. Do I insult you? No, I don't insult you. You can't you talk now when you fear who dead the gen. This will be your children when you spoil. Useless woman.
Mabagi when was la jama where then me water na where wa nu poni egbe we mabo wa ni here wa kan we amigo ni outside. How about to wa we job me wa we 50 job account in Nigeria because here we no haja we no mano and we again no when we Selflove you go we na donate to we.
You know the shame. Useless woman. Echo elue. Useless dede. Useless we useless. I can't agbera ugbe. E cockroach agbera u pion u rie. I wear dede. Which bini woman. I get away in the self-love uta latano. Your brothers and sisters bini for TikTok. Bini men they insult bini women. You don't ever tell them say what stop. What stop? Why you tell born the way there? Bini man go carry na go they call bini woman ashawo. Awashawona. They are all women. They're not respected. If other people go they insult them, they'll say not those people they'll call the guy. Igbo people don't they insult us sis. Igbo people don't they insult us sis. Isha people don't they insult us sis. Now me they insult you now. You not ever say Igbo man. You go come they insult Igbo women. Abi na that ever come and say Isha men go come out come they insult Isha women. Now don't see him. Baby. Boyi, my darling, Yvonne, you never sleep. I come back again. I want make tea.
Waja with me not to you. It's made to when you working and don't let you go where we have you where in Nigeria be holiday or around have you where travel be holiday. No man I go when are you born be do a kure. Iya wa igwe igi me ni le TikTok. Udume na ba ma na wish.
Well, the ikpe do no we do buwe you buwe muria. Uduwe na ba you do gbe. Ikpe do no we to buwe you higban ya muria. Now then you dey pity for. Small children beneath boys when they're supposed to be consulting in life. We no where your toto now you take useless their life. So now ikpe do na come dey important to you. E de dan. E de no gbomoe. Azin. Pian no gbomoe. On ehwe mu no raveki. Oso no gbomoe. Wicked oso.
Eti bijobe evere. Ave deno roto jobe omenobe evere. Bini me no de barigalo. Bini me no de barigalo. But ugami no me gogo ago me gogo biri o gogo biri no ujo gwa o emi no me obe gogo biri mai. O plan we de rigalo no era we bi energy. E mo no vi onu ni gratis ni o ma fe. Oni e rigalo. De o we ani am ogboko be ni we jeju wa. Nene respect no pia. Bini me. Ndo to be ta we so bini me. Abi ahụ amikedemi dajia. Da amikedemi dajia ahụ wi mani ye dokpa wa esigo moda ge ibie bobe esigo moda. Ibie bobe no we sigo moda buso rima. Ibie gama ari na misigo moda oso gbagba gbogban bete heva hon. Heva hon. Bini people, Bini men don't know how to buy regalo for woman. Oh, wait, or that food where no bubua ni my ben a de regalo no way. About ya can be do ya. What ya can be do ya. They no can't do ya. No piano de regalo. If you de regalo, I don't see me, ya no, if you do ya, man, I de regalo no bokia. Eya mo walking a ladia where me obo me me we den ya we Selflove na hill of the area park no kwa or video yan ya kuyokure umi obo o ma mi obo ya le TikTok le social media no do blog no do ya talok parara we to ge ba we yo ge ba we to ge we tabai you understand my sister you emi me worry ba Feminu ridita ohonu begebo yago ni ajale muje wakanto makaye boy. A lucky way aveniki. Igo ni ame we na ria no se yin averi inu. A problem ironi. But my own problem se ni mere bawe la go self-love. Emi nu ta lo yan pe yan ya gya ni TikTok. E bi jo ba wa bi ego ya gima la go me nwa be gbe ipe edo no egun esun amuhu ipe edo gbo e. O ma na me nwa boy. Ina gele mwegbe ina do pe wako benue ina to tag Facebook le Saturday or Sunday imana ru da weje church o can like him la ime di gwenya we sivi ipe do a do ma manwe o mani manike ipe do mana manwe o mani manike do a mother for wef one ya o we gogo biri o we Morocco ni no iko ya o me bet we boy we do kure e ma siju egbe because we bona iko ya ni me be sitting ni meje na ya fefefe e ya wina o we gare e iko mo e viare school adafin ari wina ore tu Ijo mo ani wina. Ozo borite. Ero mo aki wina dele 5 o'clock o ya fie mo be school. Eri ma ya do ema. Ose no na mi pitali. Okpa be shoshi mana wa mi masho pa duplex okpa no doba me daki. Ime nunua. Because why? E support no ko me support orire. No piarire. What's the near kana me progress? E de agbo ya daga na fiyo fire wa to tawa upe we ga de ja. Ve na tuwa no bara you waste you. Iwa ya Selflove when you me 3 years ago wala omo me 3 years ago we bo la dog we bo wata mame wa ni gine na to gba hon suwa Except love the moment to be just why. Because even me women na city men no me 2 years keka sef. Owa aba moje school ije le ba de wina. Owa ira kazo boy amu. Saturday and Sunday we are ginya. Na wa vie mo ikokpa ni mate enos. Wa seba a big sheto commercial ni leuno. Iya jiro dele mi no bukan dele ne money. Iya re be donasi or a barbecue yati e ma yati oni. O ya utaba. O je mo ya ri e video egbe ya. Ami e wo bo Selflove. Ami e wo bo we. Ami e wo bo we. Iwi me ni je boy ni me ire ya won gwe popa bi gbana. Me na ni we vivi we aru we feed den wa ya no adele mi jin aboba. I me we ne rin ado de regalo no. Regalo akpogo ku we ni igbo kai. Ebe ni we do gwale igo be we bo eri rin ado gwale igo be we bo. Eri ado gwale igo. Abo bono mu kia ne mu igo. Wa donate ne abe manene mi no jini ajuge yi a we webo ami ya go po ne igo pugwa ne wa ene mi no gwaja wa donate ne you understand o pe ani ne gbo ma ki wona rebe na gwana na we wa respect we o bi era ga yi ki wona re na ne to boy lakoni ije ne mi ja gbungaje we my food o ga be food dey table dey Facebook make I first talk finish first. Ema enokpia okwe na reset ike obiere to boy ya mo ba oyo no like bed your love we ni gbo gba ni ya de regalo nu regalo ko regalo ni
useless woman. You see, we merere. Ereru we gba you no we. When we wivina. Your brain correct for your head. Why you no carry your pikin come Europe? You say me self-love. Say you never see self-love. You carry children go guide you. You carry children go here. You carry children go there. What of you? Your mates, they carry their grandchildren. They go guide you for Europe. Your mate, you carry their grandchildren, they'll go guide you where your own. Ogbokano ba. We are woo. I don't know how to talk person you. You get brain like this. Why you don't use the brain to arrange your whole life? If you were away, boy, my command can't jump me. This step, if you climb, go up, climb and come down. If you were where you were like Weibo, what's your man? You were like Weibo. I will a boy and I they use the grandchildren till they play for garden. No. With the top person you. Self-love they carry children come on. Self-love they use the children go swim. Which one if you do for your own children? Your pikin there closer. You make quarrel for a closer like a quarrel. You use that for there. Don't use that your pikin for grant. That one now, that one will hate now would be quarrel. You hate quarrel. Maybe pikin now don't think they will hate quarrel. Nonsense woman. Oko not that him over if you work working. As in already. Over here near your mommy a bebo ya bebo. Oh, we are like the color work closer. Now closer na the color. Now go to sell something for them. See what they talk. Say why self-love husband will buy gift for self-love. Why not buy gift? Useless woman. As your friend beneath marriage, no one fit put you for us. But they did now.
okpe do we ya zo la kon do pe do no de regalo no we do gba be kini ya
Now don't they buy ma? What did do okpe? What did they beneath me? They say okpe do. What okpe do? Any are Facebook ni you why you know eba. Huh? Nobody them when they Facebook, when they disgrace you now, how na take fuck. How na to take they make puka 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 puka. Pete 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 pete. Uhe kworo. Only way when you're kworo. You say he could tell me to make a couple pre for you. Uhe kworo. Kworo na this thing mode. They say that so they are to talk be like mode. Kworo kworo. Erosion. Yeah, people.
Tokwedo na ogwedo kiamali zesti unhini. Mana mi.
Because when only lazy now, what me about me or what me erede. Na ina. I say, you know, emi erelu. Like me na go carry bini ma put for house. Nothing, not they do anything. I decrease. I chop goat when decrease. I chop fowl won't go kill me. I chop fowl when bird flu kill me. Useless a day. But they do not feel of more. Now they advise person when people dey Europe. If self-love children don't grow now, they don't they work, they don't become something in life. In refinement, they need self-love. A regard on the self-love we are seeing one now. In the regard on the self-love. Era my there, or more there. You now, no children when one buy regard for you. No children. These women now they don't even think of their future. This useless woman now. This one where you say, yeah, I could go no man for he had in Nigeria, he had relax. Come on, Lockdown. You not even spend 2 years. Lockdown when not reach 6 months. This woman not consume money to buy in medicine. Mama me what you do home. Mama me what you do home. Now GPC, now they can't gather money for at that time. You can't get a GPC people to infinity. You can me again, you will get GPC to the end, to the day when you go enter grave because they try for your hand. GPC. Now GPC, now they don't make that people that they try. Now they don't make you buy for Nigeria. GPC, oh yeah, una try for this woman body, this woman down. If not with GPC, this woman, if I don't have IP, it's not okay with ya. Oh, when I'm married to the god in a bed, the area gaunsa ya hion. When I was a woman, I made where I die, I lose, I don't get money. Say money not there with me. And they craze. Now phone I'll just carry. Tell my junior brother, say, brother, I need 3 million. Or what in my account? My brother went to London. I come and say, brother, I need 2 million. You go put them for my account. You know, ask me what I want to use and do. Because when you are there for people, when maybe something happened to you, the people will be there for you. Me I say Nigeria, if I short of money, I will carry a necklace come on from my neck. I will carry and go and down, sir. I will use and take carry money in the house. Now, so beneath women doing when they get money. When they reach Nigeria, say something happen. And we go to now, we are going to go, sir. I am na me boy. Amami vie, amami gold, amami diamond. Ye boy no ho.
Mana mio. Ikpe donne women. E mon tradition que soin. E the oldest ancient city.
Which tradition? E bon tradition soin ni anacho wa igbe agia. E bon tradition soin ni ana laluwa he. A traditional migrant maya egenya. Believe people that be traditional person. Oh, when you call over no yan. Oh, you people can still practice the tradition here in Europe. Oh, when you call over no yan. Awa. It's hard. The tradition, this tradition. What a tradition. Forget tradition. Live the life when you want to live normal life.
In the whole West Africa. Where I was like one. If we do where I was like one. I can regard over.
Stop being hypocrite. Your hypocrisy is so dirty. Your hypocrisy, Benin people just see you. Even Benin men, when you want support now, some said they even the shame for that word when self-love can't talk. Because they know say self-love no lie. Which Benin men you want to defend? When Benin men know say in the self-love will tie, self-love will matter. They don't say Benin men don't say self-love. Benin men they talk and they say, he ain't go no who. Benin men can you walk by where you might get regalo no who there. Me and whoever take regalo, now you they take out for ground, they swear for your head. Useless woman. Old fool. E Benin man moi bon. What say when mammy okpa no mu where you wa? I wish I want marry Benin man. I for don't carry Benin man put for my house. I don't need them.
When go mutota yekpetu wita. Hami mami na donate go no ebe wa atami.
If I want marry Benin man, that Benin man must get waiting they give her money. I was do severe rich. No where this Benin man they see money. Not because when you don't frustrate finish. When you don't fuck up and down, fuck. When you don't frustrate finish. Self-love, you be self-love. As I come there here now. If now 5 people they watch me, now 2 people they watch me. I think that they say, I need money. I think that if love say, I need 50,000. If love not go give me, he go give me. Other people when they say, I need money, I need 50,000. I'll tell that one say, complete them with 30,000. I'll tell the second one say, I need 25,000. They go give me. Some people they even not be live video self. Some people they have ultimately. Some people go see you, they'll say, sister, take buy something. Now mind, now be give. Now mind, now be give. You know, I see sometimes people get problem for social media. People say, put account for there, make the put if I come and say they cry, people will say, a lovely, also know where you walk boy. I'll say, see what you have. They'll say, put account for there. You know, they'll say they will still donate for me. Now, me not just they ask. If I ask, people go give me. You know, a lot of people when be say that they talk to me for fun. Where give you, where go on marry no way. A phone, you 3 years, you have a phone. You still go 3 years. Now this woman ask for a phone for Facebook. Nobody give her phone now. 3 years I ask a phone. He get one of my darling. The day when I got the talk, say, this is my phone. You don't take now. Don't take. Don't reach around that kind 2021. Is it 2020? 2021 be 2020, something like that. My phone, you can't get problem. I can say that this my phone don't get problem. Before you know, now so you don't call me. He say, Mama, say, I dare here, you they tell me say your phone dey problem. Now so you take buy phone. Now so you take send and call give me. I don't call and say I need phone. You just hear say the phone when I take the receive for calling, say you get problem. 3 days the phone day here. I see they come and say, Mama, they go, I want to go buy your phone. 3 days the phone day my house. Nonsense.
Let you go no ebe wa ata me have eri ona water me have go 20 year over here you know.
Go give your mom, go give your pikin when you throw away for inside market, go give them that money. Gather the money, may you take roof your house. If they find money when you want to roof house. This one they find money when you want to roof house. Yeah, boy. This one they find money when you want to roof house. You go hard down. She go reach 80 years before she go build the house finish. Yeah. A roof is not even cheap is in Nigeria. The cheapest roof for Nigeria now. Eh? It don't they enter 4 million naira. The cheapest roof it don't they enter 4 million. Na Ghana o na can cheap pass. Maybe na Ghana o you want a Zik house. Ghana o na can cheap pass. Yeah, Ghana roof is very cheap. Be like say na 500,000. A Rama cheap. A Ghana roof are cheap. A Rama cheap. A Ranayahan wa I miore 500,000. We are here wa o rane no cheap is no cheap is he reach 1 point something. A rano cheap is na yahan wa he reach 1 point something. Real wood wey be say he go dead there, you no go bone kwa. Is almost 3 million. Almost 3 million. For only one flat, oh, go ask. For only one flat, 3 million, 2 point something. For only one flat. If it can't be 2 flat, you don't already they put almost 4 million naira for grant for only 2 flat or 4.5 for just to put wood. Now wood that they talk now. The this thing not the mercury way that they call that you know say that aluminium zinc you know say it get name when they call them. That one not there. Oh. Now where this woman now want see 6 million take roof house. Say for example now if boy want roof house now more just they talk say he go even say make it hold 4 million. Now the cheapest roofing house be that. But they see roofing when you go roof it go be 6 point something, 6.7, 7.5, 8 million. Where if you see the roofing now oga. And the roofing go they draw attention. Not saying na roofing na they draw attention for us. You know, see just now say don't talk of roofing put. Number now this woman they talk of roofing. A ban. Now you use chest it down have to give me. Use chest it down they say the this is this too. Now maybe too they talk like it pepper. Sit down, use chest sit down. You go feel wrong me. Ogwanu we bonarie, na ogwanu we bonarie 50,000 yiri, 100,000 yiri, 2,000 yiri. We bon. Ogwanu we bonarie a chicken coin fiji. Ogwanu we kowa. If you see sand house, ogwanu we are the skeleton of the house alone, you know what the house won't give you. Now ye boy now they say. So when my roof ogwa, I pray. I will say now the time say you never even insult myself. If you want roofer, if you come Facebook, I feel will give you 200,000. 200,000, how much 200,000 be? That day, for Africa shop, this thing, 2,500 euro can give you almost 2,500 euro can give you almost how much? It will give you almost to the go. 6,000 euro because 500 euro is 890. 500 euro now 890. You know, see, 1,000 euro will give you almost get it to 2. If you don't add this journal like 60 or 120, it will give you 2 million. 1,120 will give you 2 million. Where your boy wants to see that one? 2,240. It will give you 4 million naira. If you want roof house now, the cheapest Zik now they tell them now. The cheap don't say Zik dey inside Zik. Zik when me take roof my house, my account is finish. You can't less. Only roofie alone. With the wood. Not it day. Money can't go. When party roofie, you want use better roofie. Now they come, they shout for me, they say, lovely, this, it's yeah, boy, you do, boy, yes, you rock, we consign you. I not even try. Even if I viewers are not go, I still try. Do what your mate are doing. Some people doing a wedding, some people they their husband house, they build house. You go say, you go tell your husband, say, only my mate they do, and me I just they put the money for there. If na man when you get good mind, you will say, honey, they do one now. They do one. I a back work can be. You say they don't know wait till tomorrow go bon. I will say some women then when their husband get crisis, they get crisis. Later now the house when the woman build now with the husband come enter. You know say they. Because they send message for me. Okay. That they use hand take the pack money for Facebook woro. Say me I know they use hand take pack money for Facebook. You decrease. Your roof when you want roof now. Now only one gold necklace, now one carry come out. Only one gold necklace, 2,000 euro necklace. 2,001 I get gold, 2,000 euro. Now that gold be. If you cannot reach Nigeria, it don't give you roofing money. Oloko na waze when you know really. Rubbish. If I reach Nigeria, say, I go buy new car, make I ride. New car, make I ride. If I carry 3 gold necklace come out, I don't buy new car. I will be ride. You know, say if you reach Nigeria, gold is very expensive. Change out to currency. Nonsense. Change 1,000 euro go to Nigeria currency. Now, I don't give you 2 million. 2,000 euro gold. Change to Nigeria currency now. They don't give you 4 million. In the whole they just say fake illusion. Come fool yourself, heavy.
Wa kan we mi o kan vie mo ari e holiday wa gwale no donate go no na be gi ogbo na go ma vie mo je holiday.
They know if you like the woman carry children go holiday. If you like the woman not carry children go holiday. Which person don't carry children go holiday? When you see the person see children for hotel. I wear hotel and Vivian Yoroa. Ide. It not there. These people don't even know the meaning of holiday. Which person did that Facebook? You go say you want to carry children go America. Did you know how much for one ticket? As a self-love, so you get 3 children, no count children for them. You go buy your ticket from here for self-love to buy ticket, go America, you know how much? Before you come buy children. Oh. But now work out come on for one city, enter another city, now until they go holiday. Now holiday, how many you don't ever they work out they come, you don't see you both go pack children. How many of you don't see you both pack children? They'll say that they pack children go holiday. You both the pack children go holiday, you both they did their city, go another city, go use their children, take stroll, come back. After this, okay, if they talk sometimes, you will say that they do pass you. They will say they get brand pass you. They don't get any brand. Before you talk to people, let's see your own self. Now make me, I know they laugh person. Because person when you won't laugh tomorrow, you don't know whether that person get grand past you. Like the way they tell laugh me for this social media. They don't even know that I get grand past them. They call it lovely. You know, see, even love if you still there. Now, I this thing I want to go take today. I drop. I see they work out the con. I enter shop. I can't buy one skirt for there. I just carry one skirt. I buy